Let's talk about factoring trinomials and the three different situations we'll encounter. In the first situation, all three terms are positive, so this is going to be a plus plus, meaning n plus something times n plus something. Now, how do we get our numbers? Well, we need to think of two numbers that multiply together to make 21 and add together to make 10. And that's going to be 3 and 7. And since these are both positive, it does not matter where we put the 3 and where we put the 7. In our second situation, we see that the third term is positive and the middle term is negative. Now, since the third term comes from multiplication, it has to be same sign multiplication. So this is going to be a minus minus, meaning n minus something times n minus something. And we're going to get our numbers the same way. Two numbers that multiply together to make positive 20 and add together to make negative 12. And that's going to be negative 2 and negative 10. And once again, since they're both the same sign, it doesn't matter where we put the negative 2 or where we put the negative 10. In our third situation, we see that the third term is negative, meaning it comes from a positive times a negative. So this is going to be a plus minus. In other words, m plus something times m minus something. Now, since they're different sign, we're still thinking of two numbers that multiply together to make 12, but this time they have to have a difference of 4. And that's going to be 6 and 2. 6 times 2 is 12, and 6 minus 2 is 4. Now, since we have different sign, order does matter here. Where do we put the 6? Where do we put the 2? The middle term tells us that. Whatever sign the middle term is, that's where we put our bigger factor. So since the middle term is negative, we're going to put our 6 next to the minus sign and our 2 next to the plus sign. And that's how you do it.